yeah. Roblox, Minecraft. I mean, Brookhaven. Okay. This is Sia. Why? Bro, she doesn't want to see her face. And that's my cousin. If you think it's my sister, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Nah, let's just go to the arcade. Let's play games. Yeah, you can just go here, or here. Just put to bed. Okay, let's just play. First the car. I need the car. Okay. Just the car. I need the car. We'll do it like this so you don't get annoyed. Okay. I don't really know what's happening, guys. Why am I looking that way? Oh, it's raining. You can't really see it. What does it mean? Let me just... I think it's blue car. Let's change the color to red or orange. Red or orange. I think orange better. What's your favorite color? Type it in the comments. Or if it's no comment. I don't know. Oh, no, don't go to my car. Oh man. I want to take it. There, let's see you up. Blue. My grandpa is calling, so I'll just pause it, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. My grandpa just called, and I just declined. Even when I call, there's no sound, and it just declined. Guys, let's see. It's just the chief. Oh, come on, open the door. We could put a seat here. So if someone thinks it's the real seat, then I don't get them. Let's see. Money? There. Money. There. Let's just see. Make some videos. Check. Green screen. Hi guys, I'm in the beach. And then playing time. Hey, hey, hey. See. Okay, that's good done. Let's watch. Good. Okay, I don't know how. Yes. Okay, this is my dad. We're in Philippines. Let's please speak Tagalog. Minecraft! Look, it's your game, what you're playing. Even Sia doesn't wanna play.
Hindi siguro. Nandito ang tigas eh.
Okay. I wanna go out my home. It's 10 p.m. I don't know.
Hindi pa ba tuyo? Nung maaga ka pa naglabas?
Okay, let's go.
Hapo ka na naglabas? Alam mo namang
Tanghali.
alam mo namang hapon na ulan, tapos
Hindi.
Alam ko kung hindi ka ako naglaba.
Oh yeah, I forgot my cat. It's locked.
Ngot, eh.
Ay, ha. Nakala nilalakad. Hapon na.
Alam mo bang naisip ko lang yan nung nakita ko yung labahin. Ay, mataas na pala. Gusto mo magkanya-kanyang laban na lang tayo.
Hey, there's a car, guys.
Nauntok ko.
Okay, that's
Kanya-kanya na lang, pwede naman.
Blue. There. It looks like I got a payment for that. Ah!
Alas 12, alas 11 pa. Hindi mo ba naisip na alas
No.
Ay, spot mo sa tulog.
O ano kung tayo ako ng alas 4 habang
I don't know what am I doing.
Patulog na si Mayor na alas 4.
Oops. Woo! Okay, guys, let's go.
dapat gising yan, alas 3.
Let's go inside. I know there's something good found in my home. I don't know why did I say that. Oh, no.
Pag yan, nakanganga bukas at dumaan,
Okay.
nakaiwan.
No.
Pa.
Oh man, you're kidding me. You're kidding. Oh man. That's house. Guys.
Pero si paubusan nito, oh, nung nahuhugasan.
Okay.
Paubusan yan, oh, nung
Get
nahuhugasan.
something not sniper because it's bad. Is that even sniper? Yes.
Lagay pa ng tubig, oh.
Okay,
Iinom lang
let's
ng
go.
inom.
Do. Let's go. It's fine. It's fine.
Kasi marupot pa maglagay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so you're still in Minecraft. Why don't you want to show yourself? Don't know. Oh man! You already did a face reveal. I know. Okay, what car should we get? It's 2 a.m. Guys, look. Oh, 5 calls? Okay, it's still recording, I guess. Please count still there. Okay, let's get my bus. There. It's my bus. There. Oh man. Okay, that's okay. Oh, I'm just crashing into things. No. Cemetery. Okay, there. My bus. Oh. I keep crashing into things. I'm not a good driver. Let's see. There's a trip to somewhere, to Philippines, to Manila. Oh man, that's just my mom cooking. If you hear it, it's super noisy. I'm kind of delayed. Malaysia? Delayed. Malaysia? Yeah. Nebraska? I think. Bro! Yeah, look, it's Alaska 788887888 Alaska. This is the same number. Okay. Oh man, my thing's really lagging. I should have just kept it fix my screen. Lagging. There. Manual? It used to be autopilot. there. Let's go there. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just dye my hair. Do some colors. What colors done? Green. I don't like that color. Oh, brown. This brown. There. Okay. Color. I need to wash my hair. There you go. Okay, done. There. See you to my next video. Bye. Turning it off. Bye, guys.